Hasan Ansari, your mathematics teacher. In today's class, we are going to discuss De Morgan's laws. De Morgan's laws actually consist of two parts. First part is A union B whole complement is equals to A complement intersection B complement, and this is the first half of De Morgan's laws, and the second half of De Morgan's law is A intersection B whole complement is equals to A complement union B complement. So these are the two laws given by the De Morgan, which is totally consists of sets. In this topic, you will let's suppose there are three sets. Number first set is universal set, and let's suppose that the elements of the universal sets are 1 till 10, or number set elements of set A are, you may take odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and don't forget the two sets A and B are taken from set universal set, because universal set is also called a superset. Set B consists of even numbers. Now we'll solve the first half. We'll solve the LHS side of the first half of De Morgan's laws. That is A union B whole complement, which is equals to U minus A union B. So that is a very clear picture for us, and in which we have to first find the bracket, or to solve the bracket you will write the elements of A and B, and you will take their union. Elements of set A are 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Union elements of set B are 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So as you all know that actually what happens in union, and in union we take and write all the elements of the given sets into the sequence. There are two sequences, ascending or descending. So you will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. After that, you will find the complement of A union B. As I have already mentioned the formula to find the complement of A union B, that is U minus A union B. So we'll write accordingly. First, to find the complement of A union B whole complement, we need to write the elements of universal set, and the elements of universal sets are 1 up till 10. Minus A union B, which is also 1 up till 10. So whenever you have this minus sign between two sets, so it actually says that the same elements are cancelled. So as you can see that 1 cancelled from 1, 2 cancelled from 2. So in the answer you will get the null set, because all the elements are same and they all will be subtracted. So this is the first part. This is the answer of your LHS, which we will suppose that the answer number 1. Now we take the RHS side, and the RHS side of first part of De Morgan's law is A complement intersection B complement. So like before, we'll find first A complement, then B complement, then we'll take the intersection of these two complements. So let's find first complement of A complement. So to find the complement of A, there is a formula A complement is equals to U minus A. And the elements of universal set are 1 up till 10 minus, and the elements of set A are 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Same elements cancel and you will just have even numbers like 2, 4, 6 and 10. Now we will find B complement, and B complement is equals to U minus B. Again we will write the elements of universal set, that is 1 up till 10. And the elements of set B will be written, and the elements of set B are universal set 2, 4, 6 and then 10. In this sign again same elements are cancelled, and this time we will take just only the odd numbers. So this is our answer of A complement, B complement, and to find the right and correct answer of RHS side of the first part of the De Morgan's laws, we will have to take their intersection. So there is no place, and we will write onto the board, that is A complement intersection B complement. Elements of A complement are 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Intersection B complement 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So in this side, my dear students, you will just take the common elements, and the common elements, and as you can see that there is no element that is common. So when you don't have any element as common, so your answer set will be remain empty, and this will, you will suppose that this is the answer number 2, and which is answer of RHS side. As you can see that the first answer of first side RHS first and LHS side 2, और अगर आप उसको देख लें दोनों ही साइड जो है वो इक्वल है, लास्ट में आप लिख दें बाय 1 and 2 LHS equals to RHS. So this is what that we had to discuss in today's class, and if you have got any question in your mind, so you may write into the comments.
Thank you.
Thank you. Allah Hafiz.